Use this app to schedule your WhatsApp messages. Go to Play Store. Search Schedule Message for WhatsApp. Click on Auto Text app. Download the app. Open the app. Click on plus icon. Give all the permissions in accessibility. And now schedule the time. Type the message. Search the contact. Select the date when you want to send message. Now click on right icon on top right corner. You can also use this app to do fake prank call by entering the fake name number and schedule the time. Wait for few seconds. And fake call is here.